Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Assistant coach of Chapelton Maroons, Tashana Vincent, says there was no pressure on the players despite losing their opening 3 games of the Jamaica Premier League season. Chapelton Maroons earned their first win in top-flight football after beating Waterhouse 1-0 in their latest game on Monday. Rowan Brown got the lone goal of the game in the 20th minute.
I mean, as I told you, we didn't place any pressure on our players. We knew that the Waterhouse team is a quality team. They are actually one of the favourites to take the league. So, as I told you, we are entering the game apprehensively and showing the respect that they deserve, but we are still going to play our brand of football, which was passing the ball through the lines.
Meanwhile, former champions Portmore United and Mount Pleasant had to settle for a share of the points after playing out a 0-0 draw in their Monday night contest.
We knew what we had to do to nullify them in terms of blocking the passing lane and giving up some areas, allowing them to play in some areas, and other areas we closed them down quickly. And I mean, in the first half we did not do that to our plan, but second half it was perfect if you ask me.
The result means Portmore United are still searching for their first win of the campaign after 4 outings and sit 10th in the standings, while Mount Pleasant remains 7th with a victory and 2 drawn results. Former national